my brother sent me this track, and I don't know if I'm gonna have enough storage on my phone to do this whole thing that I'm trying to do, but I'm trying to um, add some voice and some of my own stuff in it. Let's hear it together. Okay. So obviously the first thing that I'm gonna have to do is to make that a little longer. Um, cause yeah, obviously that was just one verse. If I could do like two or three verses, that should be fine. Okay. So I'm gonna do it a really archaic way. So don't mind me. Paste it here. See how it sounds. Okay, the transition is still weird, but I guess okay. Anyways, I don't wanna mess it up too much. So okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is add the bass. Give me 1 second. Okay, so that's the best I could do. Not the best, but with I don't want to take too long on that. Um, so let's add some organ in there. Okay, that's a little better. So I keep getting lost on that part. Okay, that's it. Is there anything I should add? No. Um. So I was thinking, before adding the vocals, to add some lead on the intro, just in case, because sometimes, if I try to do that after I add the vocals, it's gonna crash. So I'm gonna try this one.
Veux-tu briser du péché le pouvoir? La force est en crise, la force est en crise. Si dans ton cœur tu veux le recevoir, la force est dans le sang de Christ.
Okay, so we're gonna get into. Let's take a listen to what we got so far.
Veux-tu brisé du péché le pouvoir. La force est en crise, la force est en crise.
So what I'm doing, I'm gonna make a track um for my chorus, but I'm gonna wait. Test. Hold on. Test.
Veux-tu briser, veux-tu briser, veux-tu briser? Oui. Veux-tu briser, veux-tu briser du péché le veux-tu briser? Veux. Okay. I'm probably gonna, yeah, I'm gonna use either this or the chorus. Let's do the chorus. For my background vocals. Veux-tu briser du péché le pouvoir? La force est en crise, la force est en crise. Si dans ton cœur tu veux le recevoir, la force est dans le sang de Christ. Oh, je suis fort, fort, oui plus que vainqueur, par le sang de Jésus. Je suis fort, fort, oui plus que vainqueur, par le sang de Jésus, mon sauveur.
La la la.
Would you be free from this burden of sin? There's power in the blood, power in the blood. Would you worry for the victory win? There's par le sang de Jésus, je suis fort, fort, oui plus que vainqueur. Par le sang de Jésus, je suis fort, fort de Christ. Oh, je suis fort, fort, oui plus que vainqueur. Par le sang, oh, je suis fort, fort, oui plus que vainqueur. Par le sang de Jésus.
Okay. I was just gonna layer that 4/4 with this given okay. Let's try something.
Dans le sang de Christ, oh, je suis fort, fort, oui plus que vainqueur. Par le sang de Jésus, je suis fort, fort, oui plus que vainqueur. Par le sang de Jésus, mon fils.
Okay. Let's make a second one.
Dans le sang de Christ, oh, je suis fort, fort, oui plus que.
I don't feel like I was in pitch.
Oh, je suis fort, fort.
I don't think there's anything more I'm gonna do on that. Let's hear it.
Oh, there is power. Wonder working power. Oh, there is power.
I feel like this is empty. Let me add some more layers to this.
For power in the blood. Oh, there is power. Power. Wonder working. There is power. Power. Wonder. For power in the blood. Oh, there is power. Power. Wonder working power. There is power. Power. Wonder working power. Oh, there is power, wonder working power in the blood. Oh, there is power, wonder working power in the blood.
It would be nice if the bass could follow too, but the bass is already locked in. So that is it for today.